Next, question number 4 is, a tree is broken by the wind. A tree is broken by the wind. The top struck to the ground. The top struck the ground at an angle of 30 degrees. At an angle of 30 degrees. And at a distance of 30 meters, and at a distance of 30 meters from the root. Find the whole height of the tree. Find the whole height of the tree. तो क्वेश्चन कुछ इस तरह दिया है, ये ट्री इज ब्रोकन बाय द विंड, द टॉप स्ट्रक द ग्राउंड एट एन एंगल ऑफ 30 डिग्रीज एंड एट ए डिस्टेंस ऑफ 30 मीटर फ्रॉम द रूट. जस्ट इमेजिन ये एक हॉरिजॉन्टल ग्राउंड है एंड ए बी इज द ट्री. This is the ground. On a horizontal ground, there is a tree AB. There is a tree AB. The tree is broken by the wind. The top of the tree. This is the top. The top of the tree struck the ground at an angle of 30 degrees and at a distance of 30 meters from the root. This is the root of the tree. This is the top of the tree and this is the root of the tree. Due to the wind, it is broken at somewhere and the top struck to the ground somewhere here. Matlab, just imagine it is broken at the point C. Just imagine here. Let us assume due to the wind, the tree is broken at the point C. So the AC, what is that? The upper portion of the tree, it has come somewhere like this. This is the upper portion of the tree. It has come like this. This is the upper portion. It has come like this. And this top of the tree, जो पहले यहाँ था, अब यहाँ आ चुका है. The top of the tree struck to the ground by making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. यहाँ से 30 degrees angle बना रहा है. And at a distance of 30 meters from the foot of the tree. ये root है ना, root of the tree, foot of the tree. यहाँ से top, ये जो top आया है, यहाँ जो attach हुआ है, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक distance जो है 30 meters. This is 30 meters. Find the whole height of the tree. So, first of all, let us assume x is the lower part of the tree, which is not broken, and y is the upper part of the tree which is broken. This is y. Let us assume x is the lower part of the tree which is not broken. Y is the upper portion of the tree which is broken. Isn't it? तो if this is the upper portion of the tree which is broken, तो यही वाला इस तरफ आ चुका है. So यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक ये distance कितना होगा? Y ही होगा. This is y. If this is y, then this is also y. Am I right? And this angle is 30 degrees. And the top of the tree struck to the ground at an angle of 30 degrees with the horizontal and at a distance of 30 meters from the root or the foot of the tree. So यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक ये वाला जो distance है 30 है. This is 30 meters. So that I'll write it here. Solution is, let BC is the lower portion of the tree Let BC is the lower portion of the tree which is not broken, and AC is the upper portion of the tree which is broken. Let BC is the lower portion of the tree which is not broken and AC is the upper portion of the tree which is broken. Now, and let BC is equals to x meters and BC is equals to x meters and AC is equals to y meters as shown in figure. Isn't it? तो यही वाला पोर्शन जो अपर पोर्शन है यही वाला ब्रेक हुआ है. द अपर पोर्शन ऑफ द ट्री ये वाला पोर्शन ब्रेक हुआ है, डिटैच हो गया, मतलब ऐसा आ गया है. Isn't it? इसका लेंथ अगर y होगा तो इसका भी लेंथ y है. अपर पोर्शन ही इस तरह आ गया है. डिटैच होने से मतलब ब्रेक होने से पहले ऐसा था ट्री, ब्रेक होने के बाद ऐसा हो गया है. फाइन. तो अब मुझे इन ट्रायंगल BCD, इस ट्रायंगल में अगर आप देखोगे BCD, मुझे x भी पता नहीं है. x इज माई क्वेरी, y इज ऑल्सो माई क्वेरी, दोनों कैलकुलेट करना है. दिस इज नोन, ये वाला मुझे पता है. तो अच्छा मुझे बताओ 30 का कौन सा साइड है? ये ऑपोजिट. 30 का ऑपोजिट है, 30 का एडजेसेंट है. ऑपोजिट और एडजेसेंट को कनेक्ट करने वाला कौन सा है? tan है. सो tan 30 लो. So tan 30 is equals to, tan of this angle is equals to opposite by, that is x by, tan of this angle is equals to opposite by adjacent. So x by 30, isn't it? So tan 30 का value 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equals to x by 30. Cross multiplication क्या होगा? 30 is equals to root 3x. root 3 को इधर लेके आ जाओ. 30 by root 3 is equals to x. So x is equals to 30 by root 3. लेकिन जनरली हम क्या करते हैं? डिनोमिनेटर में रैशनल नंबर्स रखते हैं, you multiply by root 3 and you divide by root 3, rationalizing the denominator. तब क्या होगा, 30 into root 3, 30 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 ones are, 3 tens are. So x is equals to how much? 10 root 3. X is equals to 10 root 3. That's it. By 1 matlab 10 root 3 hai. You can leave your answer like this. Otherwise, 10 into root 3 का value 1.732. 10 into 1.732. ये decimal यहाँ आ जाएगा. So x is equals to, ये decimal जब यहाँ आ जाएगा तो it would be 17.32 meters. This is, x means what? X is BC. BC means what? BC is the lower portion of the tree which is not broken. जो break नहीं हुआ है उसका length 17.32 meters है. अब मुझे y भी चाहिए. अच्छा, इस ट्रायंगल में 30 का ये कौन सा है? हाइपोटेन्यूस. ये हाइपोटेन्यूस है क्योंकि 90 है ना. दिस एंगल इज 90 डिग्रीज. 90 का ऑपोजिट हाइपोटेन्यूस होता है. सो दिस इज हाइपोटेन्यूस एंड दिस इज एडजेसेंट. हाइपोटेन्यूस और एडजेसेंट को कनेक्ट करने वाला cos. सो cos ऑफ दिस एंगल. सो इन ट्रायंगल BCD, in triangle BCD, in this triangle, cos of this angle is, cos 30 degrees is equals to, कितना होगा? cos 30 is equals to, cos of this angle equals to adjacent side. Definition is, cos का definition क्या है? Adjacent by hypotenuse. It means 30 by y. Cos of this angle is adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos 30 का वैल्यू होता है √3 by 2 is equals to 30 by y. Cos 30 का वैल्यू कितना? √3 by 2. √3 by 2 is equals to 30 by y. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो, so √3y is equals to, √3y is equals to 2 into 30 which is 60. So y is equals to 60 by √3. 60 by √3. लेकिन डिनोमिनेटर में irrational numbers नहीं होना चाहिए. So you multiply by √3, you divide by √3. So therefore y is equals to 60 into √3 by √3 into √3 is 3. √3 into √3 का वैल्यू होगा 3 होता है. 3 ones are, 3 20s are. So y is equals to 20 √3. It means that is 20 into 1.732. Isn't it? अभी 10 के साथ अगर मैं मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो क्या होगा? 2 into 2 को भी उसी तरह मैं रख रहा हूं. 10 के साथ मैं मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो 17.32. That is equals to 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 4, 1, 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. 34.64 meters. This is y. So therefore y is equals to 34.64 meters. This is the length of the tree which is not broken. This is the length of the tree which is broken. So what is the total height? Therefore, at last, therefore the total height or length, total length of the tree or the whole length of the tree is equals to x plus y. X plus y, the length of the portion which is not broken plus the length of the portion which is broken. So x का वैल्यू अभी हमने कैलकुलेट किया है 17.32 plus y value is 34.64, which would be 4 and 2 6, 6 and 3 9 decimal, 4 and 7 is 11, 11, 1 and 3 4 and 1 5, 51.96 meters. This is our final answer. Okay. Note it.